Welcome to the MRCS Bites session on ankle. Today, we'll dive into this topic and explore the common questions tested during the MRCS Part B exam. For more information and full course, please visit mrcsbites.com. Demonstrate the foot pulses. The dorsalis pedis pulse is found between the first two metatarsal bones. The posterior tibial pulse is found 2 to 3 centimeters below and behind the medial malleolus. What artery is dorsalis pedis a continuation of? The anterior tibial artery. Point to the medial malleolus. What structures pass behind it? From anterior to posterior. Mnemonic: Tom, Dick, and very naughty Harry. Tibialis posterior tendon. Flexor digitorum longus tendon. Posterior tibial artery. Posterior tibial vein. Tibial nerve. Flexor hallucis longus tendon. Point to the Achilles tendon. What muscles make this up? 3 muscles insert into the Achilles or calcaneal tendon. Soleus. Gastrocnemius. Plantaris. What nerve supplies the muscles in the posterior compartment of the leg? The tibial nerve supplies the posterior compartment of the leg, including plantaris, soleus, and gastrocnemius muscles. The muscles of the superficial posterior compartment and flexor hallucis longus, flexor digitorum longus, and the muscles of the deep posterior compartment. Tibialis posterior and popliteus. What muscle is this, and what is its innervation? This is the extensor digitorum longus muscle. It is innervated by the deep perineal nerve. For more MRCS Part B resources, please visit mrcsbites.com.